Hello everyone, welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the DPI of your mouse in your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do first is go to Start and then go to Settings. From here click on Devices. Now from the left click on Mouse. Now from the right click on Additional Mouse Options. Now in this window go to the Pointer Options tab. Now in here, using this slider, you can either increase the sensitivity or the DPI of your mouse, as you can see here, or if you move it to the left, it will decrease the sensitivity of your mouse. Now unfortunately, you will not be able to see the exact DPI number here. For that, you will need to download the software for your particular mouse. Like if you are using a Razer mouse, you will need to download the Razer Synapse software to see the exact DPI number. But there are about 11 points here, and each point represents maybe about 100. So if I move it one spot to the right, it will increase the DPI by 100. So if your mouse is, let's say this mouse is about 1100 DPI, so if I move it all the way to the right, that is 1100 DPI, and if I move it to the middle, that is about 600 DPI. Now once you're done, all you need to do is click on Apply and then click on OK. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.